Prove that tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. LHS is equal to tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, that is secant square theta, plus cot cube theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta, that is cosecant square theta. Tan cube theta is equal to sin cube theta by cos cube theta divided by secant square theta, that is 1 by cos square theta, plus cot cube theta, cos cube theta by sin cube theta divided by cosecant square theta, that is 1 by sin square theta, is equal to sin cube theta by cos cube theta into cos square theta plus cos cube theta by sin cube theta into sin square theta is equal to sin cube theta by cos theta plus cos cube theta by sin theta is equal to sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta divided by cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta is equal to sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta by cos theta into sin theta. 1 by cos theta into sin theta minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta by cos theta into sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta into sin theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.